police had to be called on today to rescue two alleged homosexuals from an irate crowd which claimed the men were engaging in an illegal activity in a house in Central Village, St. Catherine. As Damon Phillips tells us, prior to the police's arrival, one of the accused men was attacked by other occupants of the very house he was staying.
Crowds gathered, among them a baby in hand and a pregnant woman. All eyes were fixed on this house where two alleged homosexuals were seeking cover from an increasingly angry crowd. The cops had their hands full as the crowds pressed.
We need the fish to come out of the house because the police them can't save him. You understand? We're not in our cabinet. No.
Officers knew that controlling the situation was critical in protecting the lives of the gay men inside. One of the two men had been visiting from St. Thomas. Here, police are able to rescue him. But neither residents nor the police were going anywhere as the other gay man was holed up inside the house. The Central Village Big Lane residents lamented that this is placing their community in a bad light and claim children will be sent the wrong message about their sexuality.
It's a hard time now, man, for go look work, you see what I say? And the government now set no work for it, but we still not sell out to soul. And we say woman to man, straight.
And then uproar when the other alleged homosexual who lives at the premises was to emerge. He clearly felt comfortable under the protection of the police. But how do residents know for sure that these men are homosexuals?
This man, he come in for work. A man call me one side and say, yo, you know, say, I pay fish in the house. And I say, hey, oh, you know that. So a man say, get up in 4 o'clock this morning, so I'm going to use the bathroom. When you go in the bathroom door lock. You see me? And the man say, yo, who in the bathroom and nobody now answer. So the man say, when he peep through the keyhole, he hung see man behind man and beer balling in there, you see me? So I say, dog, you sure you see that? He say, yeah, man, we are watching now. We are going to beat them today. Yeah. No make no sense. We try to load everything and watch now. Right now, the whole world know what going on.
This was confirmed by the other occupants who live inside the house. We were told that the two men were quizzed and it was revealed by the visitor that he had no money to go back home to St. Thomas, so he was allowed to stay over.
We group up now and say, alright, then we're ready. We are going to him now. So we take right here and go around to the back and saw him in there. We say, what kind of thing that, or if you bring in man come to the house, they see we there in here. Yeah, make it look away upon we people have things about, so yeah, we live in. No, we know the hours that we are not only him that, so we don't know how him learn that thing there. You get me? So we now got other intention there.
But things got heated, knives were drawn, and injuries were sustained.
The two of them draw one end of that blood while we was there trying to help him. But at the time, he was in the front, he's big and fat, so he might try to block the whole of it. So you don't want him anything, I just the next guy want. You get me? So I just that and like him lock him up in my room and make a phone call and call the police and that's police and come here.
They say they knew one of the men was gay, but never appreciated him taking a man into their home to impose his lifestyle on them. Damon Phillips, CVM News.